So what is the difference between affiliate marketing and network marketing? What's up, my friend? DK here. Welcome to the channel. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's break down the differences so you can see it and understand it once and for all. Is affiliate marketing better? Is network marketing better? Which one works best for you? Let's dive in. Now, before we dive in with a side-by-side comparison, I want to bring up one specific topic that is a crazy hot button on social media right now, especially when it comes to promoting your business, and that network marketing or MLMs are pyramid schemes. Now, first off, I want you to be educated, and that's why I'm providing you this video and this training and this education so you can be educated and you can understand the difference with what is an actual pyramid scheme versus a legitimate network marketing or multi-level marketing company. Now, all MLMs, almost all MLMs, are not pyramid schemes. It's just the term that has been associated with the industry or the niche over the years. A pyramid scheme is basically a recruiting scheme where you pay a price to join. In this case, let's say it's $100, and there's no actual real product or service tied to the business. And simply, it's just the idea of making money. So hence a pyramid or a extension, a unilevel, however, whatever the compensation plan is, it's basically people signing people up just to make money. That would be a pyramid scheme. Now, whether it's affiliate marketing or network marketing, if you're buying a product or service and that affiliate marketing opportunity or that network marketing opportunity actually provides you with a product or service that is tangible that you can use. Maybe it gets delivered to your home. Maybe you can use it online, like a page builder, an email autoresponder, some type of online tool. Then that is not a pyramid scheme. That provides a real product or real service, and it provides benefit to you, the end user, therefore not a pyramid scheme. So please understand that when I use the term network marketing or MLM or multi-level marketing, 99% of the time, these business opportunities are not pyramid schemes. Now, there is some bullshit out there. There are some really crappy deals out there, but you got to understand what is what. And most of the things that are out there are actual, real, legitimate opportunities. Okay, so now, that being said, off the soapbox, let's break this down and talk about the real black and white differences between affiliate marketing and network marketing and which one is better for you. Okay, so first off, affiliate marketing over on the left-hand side. This is how it works, and we're going to use a really simple and easy to follow explanation here. So let's say both of these, whether it be the network marketing opportunity or the affiliate marketing opportunity, let's say it's $100 to join or it's $100 to buy that product or service, okay? So, and we're just going to assume for this example that that $100 join price comes with a $50 commission for you. So as an example, if you sponsor Bob on the left-hand side into an affiliate marketing opportunity, you sponsor Bob, Bob pays the $100, you earn a $50 commission. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's say, and that would be the same thing for over on the right side for network marketing. Bob joins your network marketing opportunity. He pays $100, you earn a $50 commission. Now, here's where it starts to get different. And this is where the leverage comes into play or does not come into play. So if you're over on the left-hand side, and let's say Bob turns around and really enjoys this product or service in affiliate marketing, and he wants to turn around and he wants to earn some affiliate commissions, Bob turn around and brings in Sue. You know, Bob posts his affiliate link out there on social media. Sue looks at it and says, wow, this looks really great. And then Sue joins Bob for $100. How much money do you earn as an affiliate marketer? You would earn $0 because affiliate marketing is one level. You only earn off of one level, meaning as it goes down the line, second level, third level, fourth level away from you, there are no commissions associated with that. And if you are in an affiliate marketing opportunity and there are affiliate commissions attached on second and third levels, well, congratulations, my friend. That is now a multiple level marketing opportunity. Anything by law that pays out on more than one level is MLM, multi-level marketing. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Now, let's say that we're over on the left-hand side and Sue is a rock star. She already has a big online network, and she turns around and loves this affiliate marketing product or service, and she goes out and sells 1,000 of these things. She brings in 1,000 people into her network, into her affiliate marketing deal. How much money do you earn? You would earn $0 off of those 1,000 people. And that is because there is no leverage. Affiliate marketing has zero leverage, meaning as your team goes out there and starts to build and grow and do their thing, or the people that you sign up start to build and grow, you do not earn any commissions from that. So everything in affiliate marketing is all on you. It's your responsibility to earn sales. And no matter how many people you sponsor, if they don't do anything, then you don't earn additional commissions from other people's efforts, right? So one level of commissions and no residual income. Now, there could be recurring income, but I want to explain the difference between recurring income and residual income. Recurring income is if you sign up into an affiliate marketing opportunity and there's a recurring monthly fee, like it's for a page builder, for an autoresponder, some type of business or tool, and there is a recurring fee coming in every single month, then yes, you can earn recurring commissions. But residual commissions would be for you to earn commissions based off of the efforts of others or based off of your business working for you, right? That is residual income, as if making your money work for you. You've heard that, I'm sure, in the stock market or, in online investing, your money starts to work for you, right? That is residual income when you don't have to put in effort in order to earn a residual commission, a recurring commission. Now, also, keep in mind, as soon as you stop promoting your affiliate marketing offer, chances are your commissions will either stop or go down if you do not have recurring monthly members. So again, there's little chance that your income will continue to grow in affiliate marketing if you stop promoting. Now let's go look over on the right side and look at network marketing. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that one is right and the other is wrong. I'm simply pointing out the difference between the two so you can understand it. Some people just flat out refuse to do network marketing, maybe based on the assumption that it's a pyramid scheme. Or, they just feel that affiliate marketing is more their jam. And that's okay. It's totally up to you, but you also got to realize what comes along with that. Now, over on the right side, you have network marketing. Network marketing is something that for me, I enjoy both. I really like the benefits of network marketing. I like building a team. I like helping that team. You can go help your team over in affiliate marketing, but you got to realize you're putting in a lot of effort to help people that doesn't really benefit you in a way. I mean, it helps them, you're doing good, but it's not going to help your wallet, because if they go out and build and grow and, earn commissions, you're not going to earn from that. You're teaching and you're educating, which is great on you, but it's not going to help your bank account. Okay. So let's say in this case, network marketing, right? You sponsor Bob. It's $100 for Bob to join. You earn a $50 commission. Now, Bob turns around, loves the products and services in this business, right? Bob turns around and sponsors Sue. You could earn, as an example, a $25 commission from Bob bringing Sue in, or whatever the percentage of commission is available. So you would earn a commission on that third level. Sue coming in on your third level, you would earn a commission from that. Now, again, in this case, if Sue is a rock star and has a really big online network and she brings 1,000 people in, you're going to earn a commission on every single one of those 1,000 people. You can maybe see how this could really help your bank account and this could really grow. And again, keep in mind, there's a lot of network marketing opportunities that are very similar to affiliate marketing opportunities, where they have the same products and services available. The compensation plan is just designed a little different. Okay. So Sue brings in 1,000 people, you're earning from all of those 1,000 people. And then if any of those 1,000 people decide to get out there and build and grow and bring in even more people, you're going to earn from those people as well. So yes, there is leverage and there are multiple levels of commissions. You can achieve what's called residual income. So this means that you could literally stop promoting. So if you look down that very last line on the bottom right, you could create walk away income. So what does that mean for you? That means, like, let's say you're out sick or you have an illness or you get in an accident or whatever it is, and you're out of commission for a month or 3 months or whatever it is. Your network, your team, and your income could continue to grow even while you are not promoting. And that is how you create residual income. That is how your network can continue to build and grow. Now, obviously, it's going to help, just like with affiliate marketing. It's going to help if you are out there, connecting with your members, coaching them, training them, helping them plug in, helping them understand what they just signed up for. Those are all kind of basic, obvious things. But in my opinion, you have the ability to create long-term sustainable residual income with network marketing where you do not with affiliate marketing. So in both of these situations, can you get out there and create, let's say paid ads or run solo ads or run some type of, constant feed of contact to get people to your affiliate or network marketing link and continue to make commissions? Sure, you can definitely do that. But in this specific example, affiliate marketing, those commissions are all on you. Network marketing, your commissions are based off of your efforts, but they're also based off the efforts of others. So you can create even more income by leveraging your team. And in my humble opinion, I prefer, if I had to pick one or the other, I would easily pick network marketing because you can build teams, create communities, create residual income, and you can create, in my opinion, in my experience over the last 7 years of doing this, you can create way more income opportunities with network marketing than you ever could with affiliate marketing. And don't get me wrong, I know a lot of affiliate marketers that make a very good amount of income. But if those affiliate marketers knew and understood the potential and leverage available to them in network marketing, instead of thinking that those are pyramid schemes or Ponzi schemes or whatever the insert excuse you want to give yourself, network marketing is where it's at, my humble opinion. So I want you to see it with black and white. I want you to see it on paper so you guys can kind of understand what it looks like and what the potential is for you if you're looking at one versus the other. So if you found this video helpful, if you gained some insight, do me a favor and just comment the word value down below. If you made it to this point in the video, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thank you so much. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I'm uploading new content here to the channel, which is every single week. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.